How can we make vegetables a part of our daily routine without feeling burdened or restricted? Every meal is an opportunity, a decision that has the power to either energize us or weigh us down. Rich in nutrients and full of life, they are essential to our well-being. But how can we effortlessly incorporate them into our diets? Stay with us until the end, because each tip builds on the next, leading you to effortless, powerful changes that will transform the way you eat and feel without even trying. 1. View some tasty vegetable photos. It might seem trivial, but visualizing the beauty and vibrancy of vegetables can awaken your desire to eat them. Seeing well-prepared vegetable dishes can stir a craving, igniting the senses before you've even tasted a single bite. The vibrancy of roasted carrots, the glistening greens of sauteed spinach, or the rich colors of a fresh salad can evoke a deep appreciation for nature's bounty. Plato once said, "The greatest wealth is to live content with little." In our case, that wealth can come from the simple beauty of a well-prepared vegetable dish. Surround yourself with images that inspire healthy eating, and you'll naturally begin to crave the colorful abundance of vegetables. 2. Buy pre-cut vegetables. Time is often the enemy when it comes to healthy eating. We tell ourselves that chopping and preparing vegetables is too much effort, and so we reach for something quicker, less wholesome. But what if the work was already done for you? Pre-cut vegetables remove this obstacle and allow you to easily incorporate them into your meals. The convenience of having broccoli florets, sliced bell peppers, or pre-shredded carrots ready to go in your fridge means that adding vegetables to your plate becomes effortless. Like the Stoic philosopher Epictetus taught, we are what we repeatedly do. Make vegetables the easy choice, and you'll find yourself choosing them more often, simply because they are accessible. 3. Try a veggie you don't like in another way. Our tastes evolve, and so should the way we prepare our food. If there's a vegetable you've never enjoyed, whether it's Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, or zucchini patch, you've simply never had it in a way that resonates with your palate. Try roasting, steaming, or even grilling these vegetables to bring out new flavors and textures. Just as our experiences shape who we are, how we prepare our food shapes how we enjoy it. By trying a disliked vegetable in a new form, you may find yourself discovering hidden potential in both the food and your own willingness to embrace change. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, what we do now echoes in eternity. The choice to explore new tastes today may ripple out, transforming your eating habits for a lifetime. 4. Eat vegetable soup as a starter. One of the simplest ways to increase your vegetable intake is by starting meals with vegetable-based soups. A warm bowl of tomato soup, creamy cauliflower biscuit, or hearty vegetable stew prepares your body for the meal ahead while filling you with essential nutrients. Soup acts as a gentle reminder that nourishment can come in subtle warming forms. By starting each meal with a serving of vegetables, you ensure that no matter what follows, your body has received a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Lao Tzu reminds us that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let that first step be a bowl of vegetable soup. 5. Use your slow cooker. For those who find time to be a barrier, the slow cooker is your greatest ally. Toss in an array of vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, tomatoes, along with your favorite herbs and spices, and allow the slow cooker to work its magic. By the end of the day, you'll have a rich, flavorful dish bursting with the benefits of vegetables. The slow cooker mirrors life's quiet rhythms, working slowly but steadily toward a nourishing outcome. In the same way, vegetables nourish us over time, their benefits unfolding with each meal. By using a slow cooker, you harness the power of time to work in your favor, turning simple ingredients into a hearty meal without effort. 6. Garnish your sandwiches with vegetables. Sometimes the simplest additions make the greatest impact. By adding slices of cucumber, bell peppers, spinach, or avocado to your sandwiches, you effortlessly boost their nutritional value. What was once a basic meal becomes a vibrant, vegetable-rich feast for both the body and the senses. This practice teaches us that greatness is not always found in grand gestures, but in the accumulation of small, intentional choices. As the philosopher Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." The freedom to eat well comes from these brave little choices we make each day, like garnishing our sandwiches with nutrient-dense vegetables. 7. Add grated vegetables to pasta. For many of us, pasta is a comfort food, but it doesn't have to be devoid of vegetables. Grating zucchini, carrots, or even cauliflower into your pasta sauce allows you to increase your vegetable intake without altering the familiar flavors you love. This is a gentle way to infuse your meals with more vegetables. The grated vegetables become one with the sauce, blending seamlessly into the dish while enhancing its nutritional value. As Aristotle observed, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. By making a habit of adding vegetables to your favorite meals, you cultivate excellence in your diet and your life. 8. Prepare a batch of cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is a versatile and low-calorie substitute for traditional grains, and preparing a large batch at the beginning of the week sets you up for success. You can easily pair it with stir-fries, curries, or even use it as a base for salads. By making cauliflower rice a staple in your kitchen, you create a foundation of health and simplicity. It reminds us that preparation is key to success. As the ancient Stoic Seneca once said, the luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. By preparing your vegetables ahead of time, you create the opportunity for health with every meal. 9. Double the vegetables in your recipes. When cooking your favorite meals, whether it's a stir fry, a stew, or a casserole, make it a habit to double the amount of vegetables the recipe calls for. This simple action increases the nutrient density of your meal while keeping the flavors intact. In the same way that we double down on our efforts in other areas of life, work, relationships, self-improvement, we can apply this principle to our food. By doubling the vegetables in our meals, we double the benefits to our health and well-being. 10. Clean out your cupboards. The final and perhaps most crucial step to eating more vegetables without effort is to make space for them in your life. Cleaning out your cupboards of processed snacks, sugary treats, and junk food creates both physical and mental space for healthier choices. By removing the obstacles that stand between you and better eating habits, you free yourself to make choices that nourish your body and soul. The philosopher Confucius once said, "The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones." Clearing out your cupboards is the first step toward creating a home and a life that supports your well-being. Conclusion: the journey to effortless health, incorporating more vegetables into your life, doesn't require dramatic changes or intense discipline. It's about small, mindful shifts, viewing vibrant vegetable dishes, buying pre-cut veggies, trying new preparations, and making simple swaps in your everyday meals. These tiny acts accumulate into a life of health, vitality, and inner strength. Let us embrace this journey together as we nourish our bodies and align ourselves with nature's wisdom. Eating well is not just a choice, it is a reflection of the life we wish to lead. We are capable of more than we know, and the path to health is within reach for all of us. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.